Good morning, DSN.
Good morning, DSN.
Good morning, DSN.
We are happy to be here to share with you our family cocktails. And these cocktails is specially formulated for school children. And as we can see, the school children today, their lifestyle is so stressful. And they early in the morning, they're in a hurry to go to school. Even they have a fast meal in the afternoon, and the school hour is so long, they finish at about 4 o'clock, even 6 o'clock in the evening. So you can see the children today, they're facing a lot of problems like acidic body, and that will affect their concentration. They're unable to concentrate. Sometimes the teacher will scold them, why you are not paying attention? So actually this is the problem with their diet and their food. So we have very good formulation for children today, not only to balance the pH in the body, to reduce the acidity, we also improve their blood circulation, improve their oxygenation, and enhance their immune system. So the best product today I would like to recommend is we will use DXN Aquazone Energy Water. It's so simple. You just need a shaker. Put 100 ml water, 150 ml water.
50 ml.
Yes. Just put in a shaker. Then we will need, okay, that's fine. Then you put 20 ml Morinzi. And this Morinzi is very important for school children. As you can see, one of the most important functions is to increase the oxygen, their immune system, and most importantly, especially children when they're under stress. Teenagers, 12 years and above, it will affect their hormonal functions. Yeah, hormonal functions. So this is a very good nutrient for them to balance their hormonal functions. Because if at the age of 12 to 16, if their hormones in imbalance, and that is going to give a lot of problems in adulthood, especially the hormone-inducing problems like ovarian cysts or the uterus problem and even breast cancer and all that. In fact, all this can be prevented. Yes. So we need 20 ml Morinzi. Yes. Now we will go for 10 ml Codipine. Yeah, this codipine is very important because it contains pineapple enzyme and cordyceps. So the main purpose of giving this is because children are eating too much meat today. So without enzyme, you are unable to digest animal protein. That's why it causes a lot of intestinal problem in their digestive tract and all that. So this is very good for digestive system. 10 ml. And we need fruit zyme, 30 ml. And this fruit zyme, the taste is so pleasant. And all the children will love it because it is very tasty. Now we put inside the cocktail, 30 ml, okay. And fruit zyme also contains a lot of enzyme, which is very good for children, especially their body is under stress, body is acidic and eat too much animal protein and all that, okay? Now we need 1 teaspoon of GL powder. Now this DSA Ganosylium powder is 18 days old young mushroom. Okay, 1 teaspoon will do? Okay. It contains a lot of polysaccharide, and polysaccharide will enhance our immune system, and also it contains a lot of organic germanium where it will enhance the oxygen in the body, especially in the brain. Therefore, DXN Ganosylium is a good tonic for brain. It can improve the children's memory. So please shake the shaker, shake it well. You can see that the cocktail will mix very well.
So I think it's a good suggestion for them to bring this as the
yes, it's very simple. Very simple.
Instead of asking them to buy gassy drinks or coloring drinks.
Correct.
And it's very healthy for them.
Yeah, you can even teach the children to prepare themselves at home. because a lot of working mothers sometimes they have no time to prepare nutritious food for them. You can see that this is so simple. You can teach the children to prepare themselves at home, and you can see that it is so simple. Just carry the shaker to school, or even when the mother bring their lunch in the afternoon, they can put it in a shaker and bring it to the school together with the lunch. Shall we try?
Yes. Cheers.
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 This is our cocktail every day, 3 times a day in the family. Is it nice, Mr. Gunn?
Very nice.
Do you like it, William?
Wow, that's nice.
Very nice?
It's very pleasant.
Very
I'm
pleasant?
sure the kids will love it.
Yeah, okay. So I hope we will educate the parents, let the parents, they will have this health awareness. Especially we have to create health awareness and let the parents value this range of products, and they can share with their children. So they will have clever children in the family.
Healthy childhood.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you, Jackson. Thank you.